We're here at UCLan, we're doing our first ever Meltio Engine install. This is the first one outside of the US, so treading new ground, fitting it onto this HAAS CNC machine. So bolt and add-on, it's in this metal cage right here. It'll deploy down, it'll allow us to deposit material while we're building things, and then we can machine it back while it's in process. It's an all-in-one hybrid machine, and it'll drop down with the payload, just like so. So with this, we've got a 6 laser configuration, 1.2 kilowatt maximum heat. We can run with any different kind of metal wire, we can do dual wire feeds, and again, depositing onto the substrate and machining back all in one process.